How to DM on Instagram on computer in 2020 is coming up next.
Hey guys, this is Ankit from the Guy's Computer. Now, to DM on Instagram, open Instagram on Google Chrome. Now, as you can see on the top, there is a direct message icon. And according to this article, now you can access Instagram DMs on your browser, which is applicable to whole world. Before this technique, we were using inspect element trick to load the cell phone version of Instagram on the browser. So with this Instagram update, you can direct message to your Instagram friends from your MacBook as well. And this update is universal for everyone. In this way, you can easily direct message on Instagram from your computer in 2019. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to learn more tricks about Instagram, check the Instagram playlist right now. Thank you and goodbye.